The blogger renaissance, why 2025 is the best time to be a content creator. In the ever-evolving digital world, blogging has once again surged to the forefront of online influence in 2025. With social media algorithms becoming increasingly unpredictable and ad-driven, audiences are returning to trusted, in-depth voices, bloggers who offer value, authenticity, and consistency. Unlike fleeting social media posts, blogs provide depth, SEO longevity, and true ownership over content. Bloggers are no longer seen as solitary writers tucked away in corners of the internet. They are now brands, educators, influencers, and business leaders. A resurgence in newsletter subscriptions, podcast integrations, and long-form storytelling means that blogging isn't just relevant, it's essential. In the era of search to learn, Google prioritizes authoritative blog content, making it an ideal time for creators to invest in their platforms. One major reason for this resurgence is the rise of personal branding. In a time when artificial intelligence is generating massive volumes of generic content, readers crave voices with personality, opinions, and original insights. Bloggers who build a niche around their authentic selves, whether it's tech, reviews, minimalist living, mental health, or urban gardening, are carving out loyal communities. They're not chasing clicks, they're fostering trust. The audience isn't just consuming content, they're connecting with the creator behind it. Monetization models are evolving accordingly, with creators leveraging memberships, digital products, affiliate marketing, and branded content that actually aligns with their values. By staying true to their voice, bloggers are thriving in a noisy online landscape. Another trend driving the blogger boom is the integration of multimedia formats. Podcasts and blog posts now go hand in hand. Creators are turning each blog into an audio experience, making content accessible on the go. This dual format model boosts engagement, improves SEO, and allows content to live across platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Substack, and Medium. Picture this: a single piece of content can be read, listened to, and visually illustrated. For bloggers who prefer working behind the scenes, this hybrid format is a goldmine. They don't need high-production video setups, just a mic, a quiet space, and a passion for storytelling. As a result, content creators are no longer boxed into one medium. They're dynamic publishers, managing their own digital ecosystems. Finally, the infrastructure to support bloggers has never been stronger. Platforms like Ghost, WordPress, Notion, and Beehive now offer sleek, user-friendly setups that integrate analytics, email marketing, and community features without needing a tech background. AI tools assist with keyword planning, outline generation, and grammar refinement, freeing bloggers to focus on creativity. Community building is at the heart of it all. Whether it's Discord servers, Telegram groups, or Patreon memberships, successful bloggers are those who see their audience as collaborators, not just consumers. This interactive model, content plus conversation, means blogs are no longer static pages. They're evolving ecosystems that adapt, respond, and grow with their audience.